Okay, I've unboxed our BioFresh shower filter assembly, complete with the proprietary filter cartridge and vortexing device. I have a complete kit with our roll of Teflon tape. Once that's been confirmed, I went ahead and removed the old shower head off of the shower arm. This is a non-traditional shower arm, but our system is compatible with it. So now I'm going to go ahead and install the Teflon tape that comes with the kit. You install the Teflon tape in the direction you tighten the shower head. Okay, that's good. There'll be a little extra left over. That's fine. Then you want to grab your Ophora BioFresh shower system. Remove the black cap. The tool that I will be using is a small pair of channel locks. You can use the crescent wrench if you'd like. There is a gasket inside that helps create a seal. And you go ahead and just hand tighten. Once you have it hand tight, you're going to want to go ahead and come in with your channel locks or crescent. You give it a few more turns. Until it's snug. And then we are a go to test the shower head. And there we go. You'll get some residual carbon dust, which is normal. That'll all flush out. And that's all it takes to install one of these.